Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we embark on a journey through the beauty of landscapes and the art they inspire. Join me as we explore the hidden gems of nature, capturing their essence through sketches and paintings, from majestic mountains to tranquil rivers. Each scene tells its own story, waiting to be brought to life on canvas. Through my brushstrokes, I aim to convey not just what I see, but what I feel in the presence of these breathtaking vistas. So, come along with me and let's embark on a journey of creativity, discovery, and appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where every step along the landscape path is a masterpiece waiting to be revealed. Join me as we explore the hidden gems of nature. In Rosie's canvas, a journey through nature's palette, we are invited to witness the intersection of artistry and nature's splendor. With each stroke of her pencil, Rosie breathes life into the landscapes she encounters, capturing their essence with meticulous detail. From the tranquil flow of rivers to the rugged peaks of mountains, Rosie's journey unfolds like a symphony of color and texture. But it's not just about what meets the eye. Through her art, Rosie invites us to feel the heartbeat of the natural world, to connect with its spirit on a deeper level. Along the way, the Rosie's canvas becomes a shared space where artists come together to exchange ideas, inspire one another, and celebrate the beauty that surrounds them. So come along and immerse yourself in the magic of Rosie's canvas, where every brushstroke is a testament to the awe-inspiring wonder of nature. Congratulations, you have completed a captivating exploration of beauty and emotion through the art of sketching. Join us again soon for more artistic adventures with Rosie, where imagination knows no bounds and creativity reigns supreme. Thank you very much.